We tested the weirdest gardening tools we could find against normal gardening tools to see if any of them are actually worth it.
And first up is the mini chainsaw.
Why don't we have that be the last up? Have you ever wanted to weed your garden without bending down? Introducing Grandpa's Weeder.
And we're gonna put it head to head with my favorite weeding tool, the Cobra Head.
So Jacques, this tool is really simple. The instructions are literally printed on it.
That's pretty
You're
nice.
supposed to center it over the weed, press it down, and then leans. We found some proper weeds here in the backyard. Let's go head to head, Jacques, see who gets theirs out faster. 3, 2, 1, go.
So this is a taproot.
I mean, oh, I missed some of it.
Oh gosh.
Did you get it?
That was pretty good. I actually got the whole root and the plant itself.
Okay, I did get it. Yeah, you honestly you got the same thing as me.
Yeah.
Way faster.
But I'm on the ground and now my knee's dirty.
Yeah.
So.
But that's what you're meant to be as a gardener. So the Grandpa's Weeder against a standard weeding tool like the Cobra Head, Jacques. Thumb meter, what do you think? 3, 2, 1.
I'm mid.
I'm slightly more than mid.
Okay.
I would use this if I was like wandering around on a lazy Sunday with some taproot weeds, but I probably wouldn't use it for much else, and I'd be mad if I missed the center.
Yeah, that's great for like dandelions in a field of grass, but for daily weeding, this is the tool I'm reaching for every day.
I'm with you.
Have you ever wanted to dig a hole without digging a hole? Well, introducing the Power Planter.
And it's going up against a standard trowel.
The beauty of this tool is that it attaches to any standard drill. You put it on the ground, turn it on, and you've got yourself a hole.
So we're going head to head again. We each have 3 potatoes, Jacques. We're gonna plant 1, 2, 3 in a row, time it, and it's only complete when each potato is planted 4 to 6 inches deep and covered back up.
Okay, that's pretty easy.
Let's do it. That's almost a tie.
That was pretty close.
You know what I was doing is I was scooping into the prior hole.
I was like, how
Little
is he
pro
already
tip.
covered?
Little pro tip.
That was pretty quick. So overall, what do we think about this tool? I'm actually gonna give it a thumbs up.
Huge thumbs up. I didn't like what I just did, and this is so much more useful than this for speed of well, imagine if you have to transplant 100 potatoes.
Yeah, which we
You'd
have
be done
done.
in no problem. Or bulbs, anything like that, or even digging a post, which we've also done with that. So we're big fans of the Power Planter. Along with testing out weird gardening tools this year, I've been testing out a lot of ways to improve my health, specifically my gut health, which I've had some problems with over the last few years, which brings us to today's sponsor, Armor Colostrum. Armor is a premium bovine colostrum concentrate, which is packed with 400 plus bioactive nutrients, things like peptides, antibodies, whole food probiotics, and antioxidants, all in their purest, most absorbable form. I usually take it just by mixing it straight up into water, sometimes yogurt. I take 2 to 4 scoops a day. That's where I feel the best. Since it is a whole food, you can take as much as you need whenever it works for you. You don't have to space it out like you would other supplements. And I work it into my routine in a super easy way. Since I started taking it about 6-7 months ago now, my gut discomfort has decreased significantly. So it helps a ton and it tastes amazing. So thanks to Armor Colostrum for sponsoring the video. If you want to try it out for yourself, you can go to tryarmor.com/epic. That's tryarmra.com/epic and use the code EPIC for 15% off your first order. And now back to the video. Have you ever wanted to dig a hole with your hands? Introducing the Digger Claw Gloves.
I don't know what these are for, but it's gotta be for digging.
And we're gonna compare it against a standard garden tool here. I guess it's for this, right? I mean, let's just give it a let's just go in.
That looks like it's working well.
This actually is fun. It actually works
actually
really
works.
well.
Oh, that felt a little weird on my finger.
That works
though.
crazy well.
I snagged a root and I felt like I was pulling my finger off.
Hold on, look at this. You can dig
Dude,
you can dig a pretty precise hole here. Okay, let's put
This is
back
like
in.
what a gopher feels like, I think.
Yeah, I think it is. Now look, if I'm coming in with this one, I mean, it still works.
Yeah,
let's just
that's
be
not
honest
bad.
here. And this can do a lot more probably, but let's try some other tasks out. If I wanted to take that out. Take that out for me. That was more of a grab though, no?
I mean, but I got the root ball.
You did.
With
Hold
the
on, let me
claws.
try to dig this out right here. I mean,
That's
something about these I kind of like. And you know what's nice? Look, these are some clean
fingernails.
Clean
My fingernails are
fingernails.
loaded with dirt, so these might actually save me.
These might be nice. Okay, the Digger Claws. Jacques, what do you think? 3, 2, 1. So you're a no.
I'm a no because here's the thing. It works, but there's no way this is going to last.
No
like
way.
maybe a week max.
No shot.
So that's why I have to go no.
I think if this was more heavy duty, for some reason, I feel like this could be a yes. I want one on the thumbs. I want full claw
Full
ability.
claw.
And it is kind of nice to be able to just get in there like Wolverine, you know?
But then if you gotta grab anything else but dirt, I think you're gonna have a bad time.
I gave it a slight thumbs up because I think it's cool, but will I actually use it day to day? That is a no.
Yeah.
Have you ever wanted to spend 0 energy pruning while also running the risk of losing a finger? This is the Wildhorn 32 from Alpen.
And we're gonna put it up against the classic Felco 2, which...
Oh, wow. I think we have a winner already. That's actually way harder than I thought it would
For the
be.
thick part,
Wow.
I got
okay,
there.
hold on.
let's go to the thinner side.
This is the competition, Jacques. 1 cut,
Okay.
2, 3, 4.
Okay.
Okay?
All right.
Ready?
Yeah.
3, 2, 1.
Not bad.
Jacques, your rating in 3, 2, 1. Oh, you're mid to low.
Mid-low.
Wow. Okay, here's the thing. I love it because it does this.
Yeah,
I hate it because I just can't imagine a world where I don't eventually cut myself with this thing.
Which is exactly why I gave it a low mid thumb.
I'm scared
I
of
don't
it.
trust myself.
The thing I do like though is it's got a little battery counter here, but it also has a cut counter.
that's cool.
So if you go out and do a pruning sesh, you can know exactly how many prunes you made. And then another cool thing is, look at this. If you go like here and hold it in, it won't let go until you let it go.
I like that.
So dangerous, but effective.
Highly effective. Have you ever wanted to dig a hole with one hand?
Oh, you mean like this?
Introducing the Dirt Snatcher. The idea behind this tool is that it has teeth and then you go into the ground, pull the trigger, and it picks up the dirt for you.
It is satisfying, but I have to say, I feel like a trowel can do the job. and
That's a better hole though.
It's a
Come
better
on.
hole. We're gonna find out because we're doing a transplant test. All right, Chuck, on 3, transplanting 3 seedlings in a row. 3, 2, 1, go. Oh, that was low. That was low.
Okay,
That's not bad.
that's not bad.
I went low on this one.
I don't know if I nailed the technique, but they are all in the ground.
Did you beat me?
I think it was a tie.
I think it was a tie. We'll go in the instant replay cam. Jacques, what do you think of the Dirt Snatcher? 3, 2, 1. Really?
I don't know why. Here's the thing.
Why?
I like the name a lot.
Well,
I like the name
sure.
a lot. In terms of practicality, I could see this being useful if you want to, I don't know, here, give it a try.
Well, here's the thing.
Something about it.
Here's the one place it could be useful is
Yeah.
if you had a big pile of seedlings and you got really proficient with snatching. Transplant,
snatch.
snatch,
Oh.
transplant, snatch. Like that? That might make sense because then what you can do is snatch it, replace it.
Here, let me show you something else
Sure.
that I just thought of. I'm not sure if this works.
Oh, you just killed that seedling, but that's fine.
There it is. I don't know why you would need to do that.
That's
but
actually, maybe this is now a weeding tool. Snatch that.
Oh,
Not bad.
still alive.
Dirt Snatcher, it's got some surprises in it. Have you ever wanted to kneel without ruining your knees? Introducing the knee seat. The knee seat is the subject, annoyingly, of our most viral video of all time. So to show you how it works, I'm just gonna play that.
This all God, this ain't no love.
And it's going up against a traditional foam kneeling pad, which you just throw on the ground and pop your knees onto.
What do you think?
Pretty comfy.
This
honestly.
one is honestly surprisingly comfy when you're actually down. I have no stress on my knees whatsoever, but
I feel like my foot's gonna fall
like what is
asleep.
going on? Like I'm wearing this crazy device here. And if I have one, why not have 2?
Yeah, that's fair.
And then if I have 2, I feel like I'm a mecha droid and not a gardener. So for me, I don't know what you think, I'm right about there.
Hard down.
I'm not all the way down because I could
full.
see some uses
Yeah.
for it, but it's not for me.
Yeah, I'll tell you what, I just don't think I would actually strap that on. My leg would fall asleep for sure. And also, I always forget this anyway, so I don't know if I'm a good kneeler.
I am a good kneeler. I never forget that. This, I would be too annoyed to put on.
Finally worked up the courage to test out the mini chainsaw, and to reduce liabilities, we came to my place to trim a tree. Let's see how this works. Okay, that definitely cuts.
It's going up against a standard handsaw, which I'm a little bit more comfortable with.
The challenge we're going with is that we're each going to cut one of these branches and cut it 2 more times. All right, 3, 2, 1, go.
Mine's stuck. Mine's stuck. I can't get it out. 2 separate cuts.
2 separate cuts. 3, 2, 1, go.
Did you go third for good? Are you bastard? The handsaw versus the mini chainsaw, Jacques. What is your opinion? 3, 2, 1. Just in the middle. Do you have an opinion?
I have a very strong opinion.
Hit me.
I should not be allowed to have it. I will 100% without fail do damage to my body.
Yeah?
I guarantee you.
This is something I
But
think
it works, so I have to give it the mid.
I could have this and I would use it for exactly this use case. Reach, prune, saw.
Still
and
scares me.
You know what? Breaking down larger pieces into maybe some firewood or carving wood, mini chainsaw gets my vote. Have you ever literally wanted to be a hummingbird feeder? Introducing the Hummingbird mask.
And it's going up against a hummingbird feeder.
So Jacques, the way this one works is I've got my little red flowers here,
Okay.
which attract the hummingbirds. I need you to nectar me up. Give me some of that sweet nectar.
Maybe we should cut the camera for this one.
Just give me that nectar.
So you want to
Oh,
lean
yeah.
back a little bit more.
I can feel it. It's about the time for hummingbirds to come into the homestead. So I think my job now is to sit here and wait.
All right, I'll leave you to it. I'll see you later.
I feel like I'm too obvious somehow.
Here's a
Oh,
little bit of camouflage.
okay.
Now you really look like a tree
Get some
now.
around the head.
All right, I'll be right back.
Well, my life as a hummingbird feeder has only just begun. I might be stuck here for quite a while. But if you want some tools that actually work, check out our shop at shop.epicgardening.com. We have some completely awesome tools that are perfect for the garden, as well as over 700 varieties of seed. We'll see you on the next one. Good luck in the garden and keep on growing. You're a hummingbird feeder. You love to feed.